Hello students, here we are solving a question which is based on the topic of work, power and energy. The question here is, a man moves on a straight horizontal road with a block of mass 2 kg in his hand. If he covers a distance of 40 meter with an acceleration of 0.5 meter per second square, find the work done by man on the block during the motion. So first of all, we see what is given to us. Given is mass is equals to 2 kg, displacement is equals to 40 meter and acceleration is equals to 0.5 meter per second square. So now we see the solution for this question. Now in this case, the body is moving on horizontal surface. The mass is m is in the hand of a person and he is accelerating this body in this direction. Acceleration is in this direction and displacement is also in this direction. So if acceleration is in the horizontal direction, therefore force will also be in the same direction. Then what is work done? Work done is equals to F dot S, which is equals to Fs cos 0 and cos 0 is 1. So this becomes Fs, force is equals to mass into acceleration into displacement. Mass given is 2, acceleration is 0.5 and displacement is 40. On solving this, we get this is equals to 40 joule. So now what is our answer? Answer is work done by man on the block during motion is equals to 40 joule. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.